Hello children, today we are going to draw object drawing. For that you have to do border first. Then from downside take 4 finger distance and draw light line for base line. Then hold pencil behind. Then take 2 finger distance, draw one little slipping line, then again 2 finger distance, and from this line you will take the thumb distance. Thumb is little thick. Okay, then you will draw one center line here, standing line. Then from left side 3 finger distance, same right side up to this. From this point we will draw oval shape like this C. Then opposite side from there C. We have taken 3 finger distance. Then take half centimeter. Here also you will mark. Again here you mark and then draw line. If you will hold opposite side, your this point is the rounder center point and you will draw easily like this. Okay, same way here you will mark and same way you will draw oval shape inside, double it like this. Then take this much distance here and mark both side, and here we take 3 fingers. Here you will take 2 finger distance, and on that line, base line, you will mark there. You join that point and like curve line here you will draw. From left side you will take 2 finger distance here on that line and draw like a Z. Then here slanting line, same way slanting line here, and pumpkin it is. Then here like this. From here 3 finger distance you will point here and draw slanting line. Okay, then here little V and draw oval shape, coconut, and here small triangle is. As you know, you have to do first light color, so I make this color weight and start from yellow color. Here we give lemon yellow and little chrome yellow near that objects. Now we will color this with yellow ochre lightly, transparency like this, and then we will make strokes with small brush, that means 2 number thin brush. First you have to give chrome yellow like this, and then take orange here, see. It will mix nicely. Inside it is orange only, here chrome yellow and here orange. Then give strokes I will show. First give plain lightly. While coloring this, that time this will get dry. Now we will give little thick color of this yellow ochre from this side. Give strokes, thin strokes. Put your brush standing position. Like this you have to give strokes with dark brown. Now we will color this with red color. So first you will use crimson. See, you will take crimson here 1/4 part you will color with crimson. Last time I told already, first this is 2 parts, then make 4 parts of that. In between you will draw line, and then first part from left side and upper side, first from right side. You have to make 3 parts. So first I did with crimson 4 parts, then with red, see, like this red, then here orange, here also with near that crimson I will do with red. Like this you have to keep little distance in between and color with red color, and then take red color and merge that there. See, like this. Like this you will merge here also. Same here and here. Same way do with orange first, like this. Keep little white here and here, half or highlight, and then merge it like this. Don't do first because it will become red only, otherwise you can't see that orange color. So like this you have to do. If color will come in here, you will take from brush like this. Now for tub you have seen already this how to color with blue color. Like that I colored this with red, crimson first, then red and orange. So you will finish this also. Highlight will come on upper side, so there it will be light orange. Draw little line and with water you will spread like this. Keep little white for highlight on border. Then again here crimson, red, orange, crimson, red, orange. Last time I showed that what for watermelon, here green color, sap green. Same small brush, thin brush. And then with orange color you will give thin lines on this, like this, and show that threads. And after drying, little red color, otherwise orange is also okay. See, from both side corner you will make little darker here and here light. Then you can show seeds with white color, but let it dry after that. And with crimson color you will do this line here, see, base line of that dustbin. So your picture is ready. You have to show here with yellow ochre color that shadow. Like this you have to give yellow ochre color lightly for shadow, and after that you will take that color from side, it will become light. See, like this, in brush, like this. Your picture is ready. See.